They say, man up, don't show it. So I smiled and played along, but behind these quiet eyes, everything feels wrong. I joke like nothing hurts me. I nod and take the weight. They think I've got it figured out, but I'm running out of faith. I help them carry burdens, but mine go unaddressed. 'Cause when you look like strength, they never stop to guess. But when the lights go out and I'm finally alone, I hold my breath and wonder why I feel so unknown. I'm too primed to break, so I bend until it bleeds. I smile like I'm fine while inside I'm on my knees. I don't ask for comfort, don't show them what I lack, but every day I'm cracking with no one watching my back. Yeah, I'm too proud to break. I've mastered every silence, every fake, I'm doing great. But I flinch when kindness comes, like it's already too late. I've been the strong one so long that I forgot how to fall. Now even asking for a hand feels like betrayal most of all. I wish I could be softer without shame attached to pain, but I learned long ago that tears don't get you gain. I'm too proud to break, so I hold it all inside. I walk through fire daily and call it manly pride. But I'm tired of the silence and this mask I have to fake. Still I whisper to myself, don't break, don't break. What if I let go for once? Would someone stay or run? Can I still be strong if I admit I'm undone? I'm too proud